Let's go on an adventure! Deep into a glowing cave! What's inside those eggs? Let's find out and be brave! The kid stepped in with the tap, tap, tap. Saw a red egg sitting on a lap. He gave it a knock and gave it a kick. Pop went the egg and coins came quick. Shiny coins, jingle, jing! Behind a rock, an egg so blue. He ran and shouted, one more clue! He tapped it twice and gave it a bump. Pop out coins with a golden jump. Golden coins, bling, bling, bling! Next came yellow, bright and round, laying quietly on the ground. He cracked it gently, not too loud. Pop and coins came tumbling down. Treasure fall, cha-ching, ching, ching! A green egg glowing by the wall. It looked the biggest of them all. He rolled it out with happy cheer. Pop, more coins began to appear. Coins galore, ring it in! One last egg in purple glow. It sparkled like a firefly show. He cracked it open, hard erase. Wow! A glowing star lit